Today, we'll cover how to schedule a group lesson in TutorBird. First step, go to the calendar. Click on the Add Event button and select Add New Event from the dropdown. If this is a private event for specific students only, make sure to select Private from the visibility settings. Use the Attendees field to add your students, or select a preset group. Now, set the rest of the details, including event category, location, duration, date, and time. You can also choose to make this a recurring event with all the same attendees. Under Student Pricing, you have 3 options. You can choose Student Default, which will charge the student the default price you set up in their student account detail, or you can choose to generate no charge, or charge a specific price per student. In this example, we will select Student Default. You can add a public note that your students can see from their student portal calendar, or make a private note for yourself. Click Save, and then review your great work in the calendar. If you have any questions for us, please email us at support@tutorbird.com.